Does your baby wiggle and squirm away when trying to change their diaper? Are you worried that they may get hurt or fall during a diaper change? If so, you need a wiggle worm wrap. I came up with the idea for the wiggle worm wrap when my daughter almost fell off the changing table. I needed a restraint that would prevent her from rolling and escaping my grip. I needed an extra set of hands to help me with each diaper change. When I couldn't find an effective solution to my problem, I decided to create something that would actually work. I created the wiggle worm wrap. It is so easy to use. Just wrap the strap around your changing pad, secure it as tightly as you can with the hook and loop fasteners, turn it back over, open the wrap, and you're ready to change your baby's diaper. Lay your baby on the changing pad and secure the wrap around their torso. Initially, my baby would try and wiggle away. It was a nightmare trying to change her diaper. But once she realized that she wasn't going anywhere, every diaper change from that point on was a breeze. When you're done, just unwrap your baby and you're ready to go, safe and sound. Remember to always stay by your baby's side when using the wiggle worm wrap. You don't want to risk a fall. The wiggle worm wrap is universal. Not only does it adjust to your growing baby, it works with all standard changing pads and with travel crib changing tables. It's also made right here in the USA. So get yourself a wiggle worm wrap today and get that added peace of mind that you're looking for.